Hi, I'm Christy. If you've ever dealt with anxiety, you may relate to this. Dry throat, clammy palms, palpitations, racing thoughts, hypervigilance, being restless, wound up, irritable, or on edge, having insomnia, fatigue, experiencing fear, and the dreaded feeling of impending doom. These are only some of the symptoms of anxiety, or, as many men call it, nerves. Sometimes it lasts for hours, sometimes days, and sometimes gets so intense that it leads to a panic attack. It's never fun, and always detracts from the quality of life. There has never been a good solution for anxiety, until now. At Jamshidi Leadership Group, we're the only ones who have created a 7-step formula that stops anxiety in the moment as it's happening. Not tonight, not tomorrow. The American Psychological Association's definition of anxiety is anxiety is an emotion characterized by feelings of tension, worried thoughts, and physical changes like increased blood pressure. Anxiety has countless cognitive, behavioral, and physical symptoms. Pay close attention here. If we take away the few symptoms they've listed, then the APA's definition is that anxiety is an emotion. This definition is grossly inadequate. If someone doesn't have the exact symptoms that APA is listing, then technically they don't have anxiety, and it must be all in their heads. No wonder there is no real help out there for anxiety. How can the field of psychology offer a solution when they don't fully understand the problem? At Jamshidi Leadership Group, we offer a groundbreaking, cutting-edge technique that will change your life by retraining your brain to break the cycle. It's not therapy, and it's not spirituality. First, we offer an actual scientific, adequate, and satisfying definition of what anxiety is that will make sense because it reflects your experience regardless of the symptoms. The APA is welcome to adopt it and update theirs. Then in phase 1, we walk you step by step through how you create anxiety. This is mind-blowing for people because they instantly see themselves doing all the steps. This acknowledgement, however, helps anxiety to stop being an automatic process, and it comes out of your subconscious and moves to awareness. It means that next time, you notice it brewing before it starts. Why is that important? Because at this point, you can do something about it. You can stop it and not let it become full-blown anxiety with symptoms that would interfere with the flow of your life as it has many times in the past. This means from now on, you're in charge, not your nerves. Phase 2 is the Creme De La Creme. We teach you 7 clear and sophisticated steps that retrain your nervous system to shut down the anxiety pathway in a matter of seconds and stay calm and in control. The beauty of this system is that you can do it on your own. Contact us today to learn how to eliminate anxiety from your life once and for all.